What is Kraken deposit limit? Intro hook. Hey there, you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean, the salty air filling your lungs. The waves crash against the shore, a relentless force of nature. Now, imagine trying to contain that ocean in a small, plastic cup. Impossible, right? Today, we're going to talk about something similar, trying to limit the vastness of cryptocurrency deposits on a platform like Kraken. What is Kraken? Kraken is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's like a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. But just like any marketplace, there are rules and regulations to follow. Why deposit limits? One of those rules is deposit limits. Think of it as a speed limit on a highway. It's there for safety and to prevent accidents. In the case of Kraken, deposit limits help to protect against fraud. Limiting deposits can make it harder for scammers to steal large amounts of money. Maintain stability. By controlling the inflow of funds, Kraken can ensure that the platform remains stable and doesn't crash. Comply with regulations. Different countries have different laws regarding cryptocurrency exchanges. Deposit limits can help Kraken comply with these regulations. Factors affecting deposit limits. Several factors can influence your deposit limit on Kraken, including verification level. The higher your verification level, the higher your deposit limit. This is because Kraken needs to verify your identity to prevent fraud. Deposit method. Different deposit methods may have different limits. For example, bank transfers might have higher limits than credit card deposits. Country of residence. Your country's laws and regulations can affect your deposit limit. Kraken's overall policy. Kraken may adjust its deposit limits from time to time based on market conditions or other factors. How to check your deposit limit. Checking your deposit limit on Kraken is easy. Just follow these steps. Log into your Kraken account. Go to your account settings and look for the limits section. Click on Deposit Limits to see your current limits. Increasing your deposit limit. If you need to increase your deposit limit, you can usually do so by providing additional information to Kraken. This might include proof of address, income verification, source of funds. Kraken's deposit limit policies. Kraken has specific policies regarding deposit limits. It's important to read and understand these policies before making any deposits. Some key points to remember include deposit fees. Kraken may charge fees for certain deposit methods. Processing times. There may be processing times involved when making deposits. Currency restrictions. Kraken may have restrictions on the currencies you can deposit. Common questions about Kraken deposit limits. Here are some frequently asked questions about Kraken deposit limits. Can I exceed my deposit limit? In most cases, you won't be able to exceed your deposit limit. However, there may be exceptions in certain circumstances. What happens if I try to deposit more than my limit? Your deposit may be rejected or you may be asked to provide additional information. Can I withdraw more than my deposit limit? Yes, you can usually withdraw more than your deposit limit as long as you have sufficient funds in your account. Conclusion. Deposit limits on Kraken are a necessary measure to protect the platform and its users. By understanding the factors that affect deposit limits and following Kraken's policies, you can make the most of your trading experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.